Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Radoslav Jankal. I am from University of Žilina in Slovakia, and I would like to present you my paper under the title Software Support of Quality Management in the Service Sector. Kotler talks about the service as any activity or benefit that one party can offer to another that is essentially intangible and does not result in the ownership of anything. How important is the service sector? Service sector is now taking a big part of the whole economy. Service sector is still a fast-growing market over the world, especially in developing countries. Over the past few years, the service sector has also become the dominant element in many economies. For instance, in 2012, the service sector accounted for 61% of the gross domestic product in Slovakia and Czech Republic, 65% in Poland and Hungary, 71% in Germany, 73% in Japan, 78% in UK, 79% in United States. In developed economies, employment is dominated by service jobs, and most new job growth comes from services. Service organizations can be any size, from huge global corporations to local small businesses. Most activities by government agencies and non-profit organizations involve services. In order to be able to stay in such a highly competitive environment, it is necessary to pay attention to the quality of services as an important tool of corporate competitiveness. Quality is not only the customer requirement and the determining factor of competitiveness, but also the necessity. Quality means those features of service which meet customer needs and thereby provide customer satisfaction. Quality in the service sector has significantly changing nature, which is related to continuous growth and changing of customer requirements and expectations. For this reason, it is necessary that service companies place emphasis on the area of quality management. Quality management is defined as coordinated activities to direct and control an organization with regard to quality. Direction and control with regard to quality generally includes establishment of the quality policy and quality objectives, quality planning, quality control, quality assurance, and quality improvement. To lead and operate an organization successfully, it is necessary to direct and control it in a systematic and transparent manner. 8 quality management principles have been identified that can be used by top management in order to lead the organization towards improved performance: customer focus, leadership, involvement of people. People at all levels are the essence of an organization, and their full involvement enables their abilities to be used for the organization's benefit. Process approach. A desired result is achieved more efficiently when activities and related resources are managed as processes. System approach to management, continual improvement, factual approach to decision making, and mutually beneficial supplier relationships. Any activity or set of activities that use the resources to transfer inputs to outputs can be considered as process. For organizations to function effectively, they have to identify and manage numerous interrelated and interacting processes. Often, the output from one process will directly form the input into the next process. The systematic identification and management of the processes employed within an organization, and particularly the interactions between such processes, is referred to as the process approach. Continuously changing customer and market requirements have become a dominating factor in today's global business environment. To be successful, companies have adapted quickly to new opportunities and threats. Helpful service companies are different software tools of which aim is to facilitate and make the entire quality management system more effective. The aim of the article is to point out the possibility of using the BOC Management Office tools add-ons in quality management and their benefits from the view of firms that use these tools. Successful and dynamic enterprise can achieve decisive competitive advantages through the ability to develop their business process quickly to the rapidly changing market conditions and through the active arrangement of their core competencies. The increasing dynamic, globalization, and increasing competition make efficient business process management an essential goal. To enable this, the procedural modeling, analysis, simulation, and evaluation of business processes is a decisive success factor. The goals of business process management are the optimization of both the processes of an enterprise as well as the resources and technology which execute those processes. Adonis enables to describe the core elements of a company and show how the processes, organizational structures, products, product variants, and the supporting resources, information technologies affect each other. Company maps are also often used to show process hierarchy. Top-level maps often categorize processes into three main groups: management processes, core processes, and support processes. Company map also provides a high-level process overview and serves as an entry point to the business process architecture. It can be used to represent value. You can use references to link the processes with the more detailed business process models. A business process model allows you to describe your processes. In order to understand your entire organization, you need to know now not just its processes, but also the resources they use and the products they create. Adonis has several model types that can be used as repositories of resources that can be referred by other models. You can reference links to these objects, show who is responsible for executing particular task, or which documents are output of tasks. Working environment model shows the organizational structure, organizational units, performers, and their roles. By linking to this model, you can show responsibilities for executing activities. Product models list products, goods, or services created by business processes and their components. Document models shows types of documents used in an organization. Documents can have references to files, internet, or internet addresses. Between main benefits from the view of the organization that use these tools belong all the information from one source, intuitive modeling tool for process and quality management, the possibility of using the tool from the simple modeling to different scenarios, analysis and simulation. Employees know what is expected of them. Optimized design of workplaces, better work conditions, assessment of performance indicators. Indicators are monitored and evaluated to complete the process lifecycle and achieve continuous improvement. Organizations have gained better knowledge of operations across the entire organization. More effective use of resources, all that resulted in increasing the work efficiency. Adonis models can be also shared via company's intranet. All employees may browse published models and can get up-to-date information about company's operations. Their roles within the value chain, relevant documents for each process step are also published. In conclusion, I want to say the faster and easier organization may change or modify its own business processes, the faster can respond to constantly changing market requirements. Due to the effective management of business processes, is the organization better prepared for the challenges that await him in the future. Great help in this area are business process management software tools. With the help of these tools, organization can have properly described, defined, structured resources and input secure processes that are performed for a concrete customer and have a clearly defined owner of the process. Thank you very much for your attention.